Tired of making endless trips to the store for heavy water jugs, or waiting forever for tap water to boil just to make a cup of coffee? Having a reliable water dispenser in your home or office changes everything. But picking the wrong one means dealing with messy leaks, lukewarm water, or breaking your back trying to flip heavy bottles. To separate clever marketing claims from actual daily convenience, we put 6 of the top-rated water coolers through rigorous testing. We evaluated bottleless filtration, bottom-loading ergonomics, self-cleaning ozone systems, temperature performance, and energy efficiency to bring you the definitive breakdown. Kicking things off at number 1 is the Avalon self-cleaning bottleless water cooler. If you want a continuous supply of clean, filtered water without ever lifting another heavy bottle or dealing with delivery services, this is where you start. Hooked directly into your water line, it features an NSF-certified dual filtration system that strips out chlorine, lead, and bad odors. The real killer feature is the automated ozone self-sanitizing system that cleans internal lines on its own, paired with 3 temperature settings for ultimate versatility. Sounds like the ultimate hydration station, right? But here is the catch. Because it is bottleless, you need direct access to a water line or professional plumbing installation, and you will eventually need to change out the physical filters. But for hands-off home or office hydration, it is elite. Moving right along to number 2, we have the Brio Essential Series top-loading dispenser. If you prefer traditional bottled water and want a budget-friendly, reliable unit, this machine delivers tri-temperature dispensing for hot, cold, and room temperature water. Compatible with standard 3 and 5-gallon jugs, it features a clear top-loading view so you never get caught empty-handed, along with an Energy Star rating to keep utility bills low. But here is the catch you need to keep in mind. You have to manually lift heavy water jugs up to the top of the unit, which can be a massive strain. Plus, top-loading systems lack the sleek, hidden look of bottom-loading models. However, for simple, affordable operation, Brio nailed the basics. Coming in at number 3, the Primo bottom-loading self-sanitizing water dispenser fixes the biggest issue with traditional coolers by putting the bottle down in the lower cabinet. You simply slide a 5-gallon jug inside, eliminating heavy lifting completely, while keeping the bottle entirely hidden for a clean, modern look. It delivers instant hot and cold water, features an automatic self-sanitizing system to keep the reservoir fresh, and includes a child safety lock. Now, sounds ideal, but here is the catch. This unit only provides 2 temperature settings, hot and cold, meaning you miss out on a dedicated room temperature tap, and you still have to buy and replace bottled water regularly. But for ergonomic, back-saving convenience, it is a massive winner. Taking the number 4 spot is the Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water dispenser. Combining the best of both worlds, this premium unit features a hidden bottom-loading compartment for effortless bottle swaps, an automated ozone self-cleaning cycle for elite hygiene, and full tri-temperature dispensing for hot, cold, and room temperature water. Wrapped in a stunning black stainless steel finish, it resists fingerprints and elevates the look of any break room or kitchen. But let's break down the catch. While the self-cleaning system keeps internal lines fresh, you still have to manually clean the exterior and manage your bottle refills. And premium features mean a higher price tag than basic top loaders. But if you want luxury styling and zero heavy lifting, it is an absolute knockout. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Primo top-loading water dispenser. Designed for classrooms, budget-conscious offices, and traditional households, this straightforward machine provides instant hot and cold water with zero plumbing required. Its classic top-loading design lets you monitor water levels instantly, and it features a child-resistant safety lock on the hot tap. But here is the catch you need to know before buying. Just like other top loaders, lifting heavy 5-gallon bottles to shoulder height requires serious effort, and it lacks a room temperature option. But for simple, reliable, everyday budget performance, Primo gets the job done. Finally, at number 6, we have the Primo bottom-loading dispenser for 5-gallon bottles. If you love the idea of hidden bottle storage and effortless sliding replacement, but want a streamlined, no-fuss setup without extra frills, this is a fantastic option. It delivers instant hot and cold water, keeps your space looking modern, and requires zero plumbing installation. So, What's the catch with this one? Like its Primo sibling, it leaves out the room temperature setting found on luxury tri-temperature models, and you are still tied to buying replacement jugs. But if you want a reliable, back-saving cooler at a great price, it is a stellar pick. Let's cut straight to the truth for a second. Staying hydrated shouldn't feel like a chore. But cheap, leaky water coolers, or models that require heavy lifting, will leave you with instant buyer's remorse. Out of the dozens of options out there, only a select few hit that perfect sweet spot of convenience, filtration, and reliability. So, after all our testing, which water dispenser should you actually buy? If you want the absolute best overall experience with 0 bottles to lift and continuous filtered water, go straight for the Avalon self-cleaning bottleless cooler. If you want the best ergonomic upgrade to save your back from heavy lifting while keeping bottles hidden, pick up the Primo bottom-loading self-sanitizing dispenser. And if you want a budget-friendly, reliable traditional setup, the Primo top-loading water dispenser has you covered. Every single water dispenser we covered today is linked in the description below with the latest live pricing and active discount codes. Stock for top-rated kitchen and office appliances moves fast, so click those links right now to secure yours. Stay hydrated, and I will see you in the next video.